friends, we are back with another craft video, and this is how you are making a nice craft paper. You are taking and making a folding like this in such a way that it makes a nice star pattern out of it, and after further foldings you are getting a nice, this is what you are getting, a ribbon pattern thing, and this is how you can fold it out so that it makes something like this. Isn't it nice? Like you can have foldings and you can put multiple colors upon it, one another like that, and this is how you can have a beautiful decorative piece out here. Next in the sequence, you are taking a green color paper. This is how you are folding another paper in such a way that it makes a nice colorful pattern like this, a heart shaped pattern. Now further you are trying to have folding so that it makes a nice butterfly. Next one, you are taking a printed paper out here, and this is how you are trying to fold it out. After folding, you'll get a nice envelope pattern, something like this, and after doing further foldings you can have something like this. This is how you can make a nice box, a gift box or ring box. You can use further colors also, like whatever color you want to. If you want to make it with different color, you can have with different color, and this is how you are pasting it out so that it makes a nice perfect box. Next in the sequence, you are making a colorful flowers. This is how you are making colorful roses, you can say. You are trying to fold your red color thing into something like this. This is how you are having multiple petals over here. This is how you are tying it out. After further attaching it, you are getting a nice flower pattern, something like this. So what you are trying to do, you are trying to paste it on one another like this so that you can have a nice pattern look over here. This is how it will look, and after opening you can have a flower look like that. This is how you can open it one by one so that it makes a nice attractive colorful flower. This is how you can roll it out, and you can give this stick to it like this so that it will look like exactly a live flower. This is how you can make petals, or you can make their leaves also. You can have something like this, and this is how you can make it for decorative purpose, or you can use it in your greetings or further things. Next in the sequence, you are having a purple color paper and you are trying to fold it out. After doing this, you are trying to make a pattern out of it like this so that whenever you fold it from back side, you will get a nice thing like this. This is how you have made from different colors, and you are trying to paste it on one another so that it makes a nice candy look. Next in the sequence, you are taking a yellow color paper and you are trying to fold it out in such a way that it makes something like this, and out of this you are trying to make with different color, and this is how it is looking. Now you are taking another color paper, and this is how you are trying to fold it out. After doing foldings from back side also, you are having a nice pattern over here. This is how it looks. Isn't it looking like a nice thing? Like front you are having a face, and back you are having this thing, and this is how it making a nice bird look. You are making a nice, that from this tail side you are having something like this, and this is how it makes a nice pattern out of here. This is how it is looking, nice bird thing, right?